Hey everybody, this is Gene with Design Theory, and we have a new video for you here where we're going to show you how you can go into your events. If you're using the Events Calendar plugin for WordPress, you can go into your events to see who your attendees are, see the attendee details, and also see the order details for those attendees, whether they use coupons or how they paid, and other details like that. So let's just jump right into it. So once you're logged into your website, your WordPress website, you should be seeing your dashboard, which kind of gives you a brief overview of what's going on with your site. You're going to go over to the events and then click on events. Now for this purpose, we kind of have a new event that is kind of live, but also we're still kind of testing it. And so I just want to kind of show you that here. That is going to be this event. We can click on this here and it'll bring us into the event itself to kind of edit it if you want to change any of the ticket names or the prices or the details about the ticket. But for this purpose of this video, we're going to show you how to look at the attendees. Currently right now we have 10 attendees. We can see where the start date is and the end date. What we're going to do is click on where it says the attendees. Now that opens up a new window where we can kind of see a brief overview of, again, what's going on here. We have the details, we have the two types of tickets that we have, and for this event we have an early bird registration. We also have a regular price, and we can see what's been sold on each of those tickets. And we have check-ins, and right now, since the event is still in the future, we don't have any check-ins just yet, but we can always do that once the event is about to get started and people start showing up on the day of. So if we scroll down here, we can see these are all test users that we kind of did when we were setting this up using this new plugin. We have the details in terms of the ticket name, and we also have the event details here. And so within here we can see where for this ticket, for example, we had some additional fields that the registrant would have to fill out, giving us their email address, their license state, license number, and things like that. We can kind of see that at a quick view here. We have some codes that the plugin automatically set up for each transaction. And for this one in particular, the status of this is in the trash because, again, this was a test one. But if we wanted to revert that, we could easily have the ability to bring that back from the trash. These are what would be live ticket events, live tickets that have been processed and gone through, where we can then check them in. Now, if we wanted to see more details about the tickets, we can go ahead and click into the status option. Now, in the status option here, we can see when the order was created. We can see the status if it was completed. If it wasn't, there's some other options, whether it was processing or there's a pending payment. We have their billing information. Again, all this stuff is editable. There's a little pencil on these if you need to edit their billing information. Say, for example, they contact you back and they need to update something, you can do so. On the right here, we have options where we can add some order notes, which is nice. We can make those private or a note to the customer itself, so that way they notice if they something that we need to let them know. We can do that on an individual basis. Or for the back end, if we just need to know, hey, this person is coming with a +1, we have a note here where we can identify that and we know that when they're coming to check in. We also have the rest of the details for the ticket. Again, the ticket name, if there was a SKU that could be different than the ticket name, you'd see that here. For this one, again, this is just a test one, but we have the cost. We used a coupon, so we can see where the coupon was, and that, you know, took that coupon, the price down from $265 down to 0. And so therefore there's no refund that would be available. If there was, and there was something that was actually paid, we would have that option within here. Now this plugin works in conjunction with WooCommerce. So if you're in WooCommerce for your processed payments, you can also go under orders and see a lot of the same details there as well. Okay, so thanks for watching. This is just a quick overview on how to look at your events, your event details for your attendees for your event using the Events Calendar plugin. We're using the full version of Events Calendar Pro, as well as the Tickets Event Tickets Pro plugin for WordPress. Thanks for watching. Again, this is Gene from Design Theory.